Joining me for more on this now is Yolanda Jacobs. She's president of AFGE Local 2883, representing employees who work at the CDC. Thank you for being here with us. And we know, of course, the shutdown comes on the heels, right, of a large reduction in workforce at the CDC. So what kind of impact is the shutdown going to have now on public health? Especially think of the timing here. We're moving right into cold and flu season.
Yes, exactly. So when we look at the ability to get public health messaging out on time, in a timely manner, in a way that people can take actions, that's not going to be available to people because a lot of those SMEs are furloughed.
How does the AFGE prepare for something like this, like a potential firings?
For one, our national office, our AFGE National, has filed litigation. We're just waiting to see what happens with the administration if they decide to make good on their threats.
Okay, so you have filed litigation. That's the first step. And then it goes forward if they do proceed with firings?
Yes.
Okay. We've heard a lot from employees at the Department of Labor, Education, Justice. They're saying that they were encouraged to send these out-of-office messages that blamed Democrats for the shutdown. Some of these employees at Departments of Education report that their out-of-office replies were automatically reset. Any reaction from you on the reports that we're hearing about that?
While some of our initial communication from the administration was concerning, when it came to the out-of-office message, they did fall within the guidelines of that. When it comes to our agency, some of the other agencies, like you said, we saw that was a little bit different.
Okay, so you had a bit of a different experience. Can I ask you about this ongoing listeria outbreak? It's a bit concerning, right? It's happening right now in this country. And is there a message that you have for Americans generally about the safety of the food supply and how those messages will be delivered to the American people during the shutdown?
That is the concerning part, especially when we look at CDC. Many of our employees are furloughed. I would say the majority of CDC employees have been furloughed. So that only leaves a small number of employees to carry out the work. And some of those areas are not areas in which those employees work.
Do you think, though, the food supply is potentially a particularly vulnerable part of this?
I think our food supply has always been vulnerable, but at this time where so many employees have not been able to do the jobs that normally they would be able to do, I think that when it comes to food safety and a lot of environmental concerns, those things are increasingly more concerning to all of us.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, especially if you can't get the message out to people that need it. What would you want to say to members of Congress as they head into that next vote tomorrow?
Is that they come together and they find a way to make this work so that a lot of our employees can get back to work. Because like you said, flu season is right on our heels. And who knows what else, could happen before the year is out. So we really need our employees back to work.
And happen quickly. Yolanda Jacobs, thank you for being here with us today. I appreciate you.